going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The stock market today has dropped 1%. Nothing too crazy compared what happened on Monday and Tuesday when the stock market ran up close to 6%, which is pretty good. And this is not a massive drop. I would say this is consolidation for the next move. Now, again, Friday is an important day. A lot of contracts are expiring. There's a lot of data coming out with CPI and much more. So check out the economic calendar. Matter of fact, I'm going to put that link in the description. I think everybody should check it out. It's very important and there's a lot of great tools there. And, just knowing what's going to be coming before it comes is actually great. Like, you don't want to be like, oh no, the market's going down. Why is it going down? You already know why it's going down because you are ready for that information and data to come out. So you're reacting live with the market instead of being like, oh crap, the market's going down. Anyways, guys, we didn't do much today. However, I did add a new position to the portfolio, and that position is Coca-Cola. Let's take a look here and how we entered the position. Let's take a look at Coca-Cola. Kind of give you guys an idea. Coca-Cola is a great company. I drink Coke on a daily basis. I'm not saying Coke is good for you, but it's just been around. And I think, as Buffett has said, I think people will be drinking Coke 100 years from now. They have an amazing balance sheet. They do pay a dividend, roughly around 44 cents a share per quarter, which is pretty amazing. So about $1.80 a year for 55 bucks on a share, which is, I think it's great. But besides the dividend fact, take a look at Coke here in the past. Let's just take a look at a 2-year chart here on Coca-Cola and kind of get an idea. Not technical, just a little line chart, kind of give you an idea of the storyline. It is basically priced where it was priced at November 30th of last year. So about a year ago, Coca-Cola has gave back most of its gain. Now, did the company expand? Like, why is this happening? Well, it's the overall market pullback, obviously. Now, looking at a bigger picture, it's actually on a tear, right? This company has been in a tear. It is down. I think this is a great time to buy into the company. Can it go much lower? It can. And let's just talk about the play and what we did here. So I did open up a Coca-Cola call here. You guys can see a live login to the account. Okay, boom, fingerprint, logged in, and we're in. So the portfolio is down today. However, it's not down for what you think. Actually, it was pretty flat today, but during after hours, AMD came out with some guidance and the stock did drop a little bit, but I don't really care because that's covered. So great, our calls are going to print tomorrow, which is exciting to see. So we can actually take profits, wait for a bounce, and then boom, sell it again. We're talking about Coca-Cola here. So I bought a Coca-Cola put. I bought a 56 put Coca-Cola and I sold these for $1.20. And Coca-Cola is just an amazing stock to own for multiple reasons. It's not a big mover, so it doesn't typically move 3 to 4% in a day. It's just not the way the stock actually trades. And it does provide dividends every quarter. As you guys can see, it's about 44 cents every quarter, which runs up to about $1.78 or something like that, which is, let's just say $1.80. And yeah, it's just great to hold. And we can also sell calls on these premiums. And they're not too bad, honestly. The calls on the premiums are not that bad. Look at that. 2 to 3 weeks ahead, it's pretty decent. I like this position. I actually recommend it to one of our clients. I took a deeper look into it. I'm like, all right, that's next. I'm buying it. I think it's a great deal. I did look at stocks like Verizon, which is a similar story, making new lows every single day. Doesn't pay a higher dividend, but I think it's a dividend trap. I don't really want to get into Verizon right now. They could cut the dividends, but it is decent. They are giving 64 cents, a much higher dividend than Coca-Cola, but this isn't a dividend investing account, so I can care less about the dividends as just gravy on just extra. My primary focus is to sell dividends and also have stock appreciation. So this isn't a clear downtrend. I don't know the internals, but Coca-Cola wins. I don't care. Boom, we bought Coke and we bought puts. Now, I sold a 56 put on Coca-Cola primarily for the reason of I want the stock. So we sold these puts right about midday when nothing crazy. Coca-Cola was trading around 55.20, so we definitely sold in the money puts, and what that did was it locked in $1.20 at 56. So our break even on Coca-Cola is 54.80 cents. So as long as Coca-Cola stays above 54.80 cents, we will make money on that trade. However, these contracts do expire next week, so not this week. And what's going to happen is Coca-Cola might just pump past $56 and these contracts expire worthless. And if that happens, well, we don't keep the shares. We will keep the premium 100%. That will expire worthless, which is a win-win situation. So we either get the shares or we get the premium, and then we can try again selling more covered puts on these stocks. Now, the portfolio is well diversified. Again, we are holding a lot of margin here, but not too much. So the Coca-Cola is a covered put. We're not actually borrowing margin money against this yet, only when it gets exercised, which it may not. And Beyond is a position that I plan on getting rid of sooner than later. Could be maybe another 2 weeks, 3 weeks until these shares get taken. So I will be selling, at the money calls, and hopefully, it'll pump up and we'll make a decent amount of money. But in the meanwhile, we are making money on Beyond. Just why not? We already made $139 in premium. Yeah, so this is all the premiums we made so far in the account. Again, we started this mid-September, so 2 to 3 weeks ago. Only made a couple $1,000 deposit on this account. Nothing too crazy. Still haven't made a deposit yet. I'm just waiting for the right opportunity. If the market will go lower as our margin increases and our portfolio size decreases, I will need to make deposits to offset that. But when the time comes, I'll make those deposits. Right now, I'm just trying to make the premium work for me and make money. And so far, we have made $988 in premium. Okay, does that make sense, guys? And here are all the plays we did. I am going to be taking this into a better layout. We actually have tools on our website where we're going to integrate this, but this is a work in progress. It's already built out. I just got to change the settings from the product line we used to have and the product line that I'm presenting now. And that's going to happen sooner than later. I'm already working on it. So you guys will see a clean chart, clean pie graphs. It's going to be an amazing, easy way to understand this. But right now I'm just writing it down and making it simple since there's not a million plays yet and this is just brand new. And as you guys can tell, we made 120 on Coca-Cola. So regardless if that sells or buys, doesn't matter. We make that. AMD is 257. Roku we made the most on. Again, Roku is a higher risk investment. But again, all these stocks are actually down from our cost basis. Nothing crazy, but they're down because the market's down. But we're still making revenue, and as the market will catch up, we're gonna increase. So this is gonna add into our portfolio, which is amazing. So it's like $1,000 we created literally in 2 weeks, and that's great. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, again, if you have any questions on Sell the Dips and what we do, we're basically providing you with tools and education and showing you guys in a live way of trading accounts and making actual income from them, not trading blindly, not trading, is the market going to go up, is it going to go down, who cares, honestly, at this point? You don't really care. The movements don't matter. Like AMD's down about 3% after hours. I don't care. That's great. Let it go down. My premiums will print, right? But again, if you were holding calls, you'd be bummed out right now. Like, damn it, I'm holding AMD calls. Somebody's holding our AMD calls right now, and they're going to be pissed, basically. I mean, I don't know if I can say that on YouTube, but I don't want to get in trouble here. But anyways, that's what it is. It's a great way of trading. It's relaxed. There's not much to do other than just to watch your position and actively trade. As the positions get bigger, as we have 20, 30, 40 different positions, and we're well diversified, the trades will come in much quicker. And some will work out better than others, but ideally, every single one of them are going to collect rent on. And the ones that are doing poorly, we'll just cut them off and use that money to buy something better and make gains. But anyways, guys, it's been exciting. I'll see you guys on Friday. Bring your helmets, boys.